things that we see that are coming back. One of the things that we see that are coming back is, for example, the TVs heading into the mirrors. They used to be popular, they got out because they were very expensive, now they're coming back. They're accented by LED lights, and they also can be with different temperature, or they can also have, they can make your face bigger or not. So that is something that I think that if you like to watch TV in your bathroom, don't put a TV that is separate from the mirror. Is a good thing to have, and it prepares you for the day, and we don't have to think about where to put that size TV, because TVs grow or get smaller, depends, in general in bathrooms. So you don't want to create a specific space or a cubby for a TV that in 2 years won't exist anymore, and you need to rethink that. So behind the mirrors, it is perfect, because that will be more timeless and you will obtain the benefit longer. The other things that people are experiencing, and is finally broken in here as well, are the true bidet toilets. So Europeans have used the idea of bidet toilets for a long time. In Europe, it used to be popular, the bidet and the toilets to be separated, and then they were the first to create the bidet toilets where they are one unit. It took a moment for those to come in here, but now almost everyone understands what they offer and they want them. It is a want, not a must, but it does help in hygiene and some potential health issues. So it is amazing to be able to experience a toilet that self-cleans, heats up when you need it. It lights up when it sees you or feels you. It knows how to clean the toilet and you, and it can go even further from drying you, perfuming you, etc., etc. So those are if you can afford and to splurge, that will be a good splurge. You should consider and keep up with it. The fan is another thing that I mentioned before, a very good fan that is very strong and will take care of any steam or mold, etc. And the last thing that I will address will be the technology and the functionality of the new shower heads. It's not the bigger is the better, but yes, ceiling shower heads has turned into a spa experience. You can have usually 3 or 4 different ways the water will spray, and if you can combine that with a couple jets for spraying your back or your calves or your legs, whatever area is usually hurting you, the experience of showering is definitely changing. So those are things that will stay and will continue to improve. So if you are considering, talk to a specialist so they can guide you through it.